Hi guys, this is RN Lyrics TV. If you're new here, kindly like, comment, and subscribe to support my channel, okay? So here I'm doing a simple hairstyle, very simple and easy. You can do it at home and save some money for yourself. Nasuka hizi matuta zenye ziko crisscrossed and then some lines with this design over here. When you look at me keenly, you'll be able to master how I designed my straight backs. Okay, I mean they're not straight backs, but those lines, let's just call them the lines. Nilikuwa nasuka matuta on both sides, then nywele inabaki katikati. So hii nywele ya katikati naisuka as a single line, but nachukua matuta from each sides. Nachukua matuta moja nikiruka ingine, so that to create a triangular design, nikiongeza kwa zile line zenye nitakuwa nasuka hapo katikati. I'm almost done, and guys, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Subscribe to support my channel for more fun and hairstyle. Yes, if I did this, then you can also do it. Ukiogopa ndo hutaweza kufanya, but if you just decide and say let me do it, then utafanya tu. So nimemaliza matuta on this side, and then there are some leftover matuta on the other side na nywele katikati. So ile nywele katikati ndo nitatumia kusuka single line, picking matuta from each side to create a triangular pattern like I said. Yes, just watch keenly, and if you happen niliongeza speed ya video, niliforward so that at least I don't take more of your time and bundles. But kama hauja master, you can rewind the video and see how I was able to make this design or this pattern over here. And if your video is not clear, kindly increase your brightness. When you increase your brightness, it will help a lot. The results will be much more better and clear. Very easy, very simple. Yeah, so this is the results. Huku nyuma ya kichwa nilifanya tu madhogodhanio because I knew nitafunika na extension, and so here we are making extension using yarn. Hizi tu ni uzi tunashika twist, but unafunga kwa kamba so that hiyo kamba ikuwe inakushikilia as you play it downwards. Then unakata, una trim ends ndo zikuwe neat. So after that nimetumia blada za watoto kufunga at the ends to make it more colorful, just like that, badala ya beads. So hizi zinaweza kuwa more efficient on kids juu akilala haziwezi muumiza, unlike beads zinakuanga ngumu, so zinaweza mfinya kichwa. Of course utachomelea ndo blada ishikilie uzi so that isitoke. For example, with kids wenzake wanaweza mtoa akiwa shule, but ukichomelea haziwezi toka, zinakuwa like ziko permanent. Yeah, that is my final result ya extension. Then unachukua tu uzi na sindano, unajishonelea. You knit your extension using a needle, just like that. You can put a couple of them kwa uzi ukishonelea so that ije haraka haraka to make work more easier. Yes, thank you guys for watching, but please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. And you can also try and send me your picture in the comment section, guys. Everything is always possible, just don't say that I cannot do it. Like that, guys. Try it at home and see. It will save you a lot more money than you can imagine. Na kama hujui unaweza tu cheza kama wewe uko mbele, then nyuma you can do anything as long as uko na extension itafunika. Yeah, so that is my final result and it was amazing. So nilikuwa najaribu ifanane na ya mtoto so that at least it can be a match. So how do you see it, guys? Comment, let me know what you feel like. Yeah, that was enough for today, guys. Keep watching and subscribe, okay?